thought I was tripping, I'm dog pound gripping. Little do they know, I'm all about the dough. Never have I ever gave a fuck about a hoe. Tripping out the dough, bounce rock 6-4. With me and the homie SN P from the DP. We all roll D. Bitch, please, let me.
It's always you. It's always you. It's always you.
About the cash, niggas thought I was tripping, I'm dog pound gripping. Little do they know, I'm all about the dough. Never have I ever gave a fuck about a hoe. Tripping out the dough, bounce rock 6-4. With me and the homie SN P from the DP. We all roll D. Bitch, please. Slapping hoes, making money, taking trips, yeah. That's the way we do it, this is dog pound crap. Forever in a day, never ever love a hoe like my nigga Corrupt. All we got is getting dough. I got a motherfucking story to tell. Say what? I got a motherfucking story to tell. I got a motherfucking story to tell. And that bitch right there knows her way too well. Since I was young, dumb, and full of cum, I came to hold, I always stay composed. What you think about the big dog. Crazy overdraws, the big dog. Nigga, I'm a hog, the big dog. You know, I know, endo, floating out the front and rear window. With up low, one toe. Now I'm lit, and you know I don't give a mad fuck about a bitch. All I want's my cash, endo, hash, cruising down for the motherfucking mash. Please get shook, so bitch start shaking.